In today's session, we are going to see about RISC processor, RISC architecture, and the RISC processor architecture is nothing but the RISC is reduced instruction set computers. Reduced instruction set computer, which has simple instruction sets and addressing modes. It engages only one word in memory. Always the execution of the RISC instructions are faster compared to that of other processors because it takes only one clock cycle per instruction. And it uses registers rather than memory. The RISC uses registers rather than memory. That is why it is faster than any other architecture, that is any other processor. And now we are going to see about RISC architecture. It consists of 4 parts, that is hardware control unit, data path, data cache, and the instruction cache. All are connected to the main memory. What is hardware control unit? To execute an instruction, always CPU generates some required control signals in proper order. There are 2 approaches for generating this control signals. Number 1, hardwired control unit signals, and the other one is microprogrammed control unit signals. Now we are going to see about hardwired control unit signals. That is, it works based on the wiring of logical elements. That is, how the logical elements are wired in this, that is hardware paths are wired in this unit, produces some signal. That signal is called as control unit, and it is also based on the content of instruction register, the condition codes, and the external inputs. And the external input, the state of the machine gets changed in every clock cycle. So this is what called as hardware control unit. Based on the logic of connections it works on, it generates the control signals to the other parts. And these control signals are transferred to the data cache through data path. What is data cache? In data cache, the blocks are copied either from the cache memory to the main memory or from the main memory to the cache memory. Then what about instruction cache? It can read the content only, that is, it can copy the content or the block of instructions from the main memory to the cache. So, if the instructions are present in this cache, then it means that it is cache hit. If the instructions are not present in the cache when I am searching for it, it is called as cache miss. If cache miss happens, that will generate an error or exception that will be handled by cache miss handler. Then what about the policies of data cache? There are 2 policies maintained in data cache. The first one is write through and the second one is write back. What is write through? Write through ensures that the cache block is consistent with the content of the main memory, corresponding main memory content. And what is write back? It happens, that is, the delay of writing to a block of main memory until it is really needed is what called as write back. So that's it about RISC architecture. In next video, we'll see about RISC pipelining. Thank you.